Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy. Class 6, Subject Science, more about plants. Part 6 we are going to discuss. Introduction, fruits, seeds and part of seeds. Last class we discussed about flowers and parts of flowers and pollination. Definitions for the pollination is the transfer of pollen grain from the anther to stigma of a flower. It is known as pollination. The pollen grains are immobile. It cannot move. They cannot reach the stigma by themselves and it needs some external force. It can be wind, water, animal, gravity or growth of contact. Pollination process. Plant grows and eventually flowers. Okay. And bees, butterfly visit the flower and dusted in pollen. And, and another flower, the pollen rubs on the stigma. The flower dies and seed pod develops. Some plants develop fruits around the seed. Example is blackberry. Seed dispersal. A seed germinates. From flower to fruit. Flower, after the pollination, it changes into a fruit. This ovary becomes to a fruit and inside the ovules become a seeds. You can see here how the flower is changing into pomegranate. And the tomato plant flower, first after the pollination it become a fruit. Let me see a small video how the flower change into fruit. Flower, see, after the pollination it become a fruit. You can see the flower is dying. and it become a fruit. Let me see about seed, epicotyl and seed coat, cotyledon, embryo. These are the main parts of the seed. Let me see about seed coat, and this is the seed coat, outer part of the seed. This is the seed coat, and it is the hardest part of the seed, and it produces the baby plant inside the seed. Cotyledon, and this contains food for the baby plant, and this portion is known as cotyledon. Embryo, it contains a young root and a shoot system which develops into a baby plant, and this is embryo. Thank you children, I hope you understand. Let us see next class.